Do you want to know how you can log into your state of Florida payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your state of Florida payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar to search for State of Florida Payroll Login, and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. You can see that it will take you to the official login portal of State of Florida Payroll. Now what you need to do is write down your username on the first box and write down your password on the second box and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your State of Florida Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your username or password, click on this link and you can retrieve back your username or recover your password once again. If you are a new user and want to create your account on State of Florida's payroll account, click on this link. So guys, this is how you log into your State of Florida payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.